Look at this swarm of butterflies. Just getting the boat launched here in the state of Jefferson. Fishing for some spotted bass and some largemouth bass. Yeah.
Echo?
Yep. Okay, everybody, it's June 2nd, 2025, and I'm up here at Wiskeytown fishing with Dad. This is the first one on the boat. Bingo! Spotted bass off the Senko worm. That's how we do it. He wants to catch some 5-pounders. We'll keep you posted. We'll see what happens. Looks like Dad's on with a decent fish. I'm trying to catch one myself. I'm on a good one right now. Oh man.
I'll take care of my own.
Oh my God.
Big?
Yeah.
Go back. Go back. This is mine. Got a double. Is yours bigger than mine?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Mine's fucking big.
We're about to find out, man. Double scoop. Not ready. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Show the camera that. Just show the camera that. No, just hold them in the net or whatever.
Oh my God. Okay, everybody, this one's mine. This is my PB spot. I've never caught a spot bigger than this before. I'm gonna have to weigh it. I think it's 3.5. Maybe a hair more. Let's see. Oh, yours looks fatter. This is the one Dad caught. We're gonna weigh these suckers just for the hell of it. Check it out, baby. Spotted bass, Wiskeytown, state of Jefferson.
Excuse me.
That's why you keep fishing. I had the net in one hand and the rod in the other. Old Gregory's weighing his first.
399.
4-pounder. He's got a 4-pounder.
That's lighter. 392.
Almost 4 pounds.
All right.
Couple of 4-pounder action for y'all.
Oh, that one spawned out big time.
That's how we do it. He just got one with the live target.
Little guy. That's what's so great about this fluke bait is it swims down very subtly. They think it's
Dad with a small keeper. Another spotted bass. Third biggest fish of the day. It's kind of back to reality. It's not very likely you catch 2 4-pounders at the exact same time. So About a 2-pounder here. We're gonna throw it back. This will be our 4th keeper. It's really fat, has a crawdad in its mouth. As you can see, that's the claw. Go ahead and throw it back.
Huh? Cinco? Try to drag it. There's more with him.
That's the limit. About 12:45 in the afternoon. We got our limit in what, 2 hours? Chunky. Crawdad in its mouth. Finally caught one with something different here. Beautiful Wiskeytown spotted bass, everybody. Look at that thing, the stripes, the sharp tail. They chew. Very aggressive fish.
Two-pounder.
Red eye. I wanted to get an underwater video of that bed.
There's a bed right there.
I think this is a pumpkin seed.
Whatever it is, it was on the bed.
Yeah.
Maybe the pumpkin seeds are spawning now. Are you just gonna stick it in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are, right there. See them? Right there.
Yeah, I see the bed too. That's going to conclude the fishing at Wiskeytown. Tomorrow, in the state of Jefferson, we're headed to Trinity Lake. And they got smallmouth in there, in some big ones. Let's go fishing. There is a group of people as far north as Eugene, Oregon, and as far south as Stockton, California, that have been pushing for state secession to create which would be the 51st state of Jefferson. These voters feel disenfranchised with their current governments on several issues, including taxes, infrastructure, fishing and hunting rights, and much, much more. It has been on ballots before, but has not been successful. Jefferson is known for its timber industry, farming, ranching, its rich water supply, interdimensional Sasquatch in the forest, and Lemurian aliens in Mount Shasta. This lake's a whole lot bigger. This is actually the 3rd largest reservoir in the state of California, soon to be state of Jefferson. No butterflies at this launch ramp. Trinity Lake, about 7 o'clock in the morning. We are in the middle of a lunar major right now. And this fish is, I don't know, 3.5. We'll give it a weight. Trinity Lake, baby.
359. 354. Smells fishy.
Yep. Love the smell of bass in the morning. Just over 3.5 pounds. Well, you just video gamed that fish.
Yes. Oh yeah. That's why we come here. You ready? 15-pound line.
This is what the smallmouth bass looks like. Good looking fish. Red eye.
Yeah, give him here.
Bronze back, some people call him.
He's all spawned out, but there's 4 of them there. I pitched the Fatty Z out. He swam down. Okay. He's 222.
2.25. He's found a wolf pack. I'd like to get in on the action as well.
Well, Carter,
3-0.
look at them all lined up here.
And this is what I catch. Micro bass. There he is.
That one? On what?
Dragging the little swim bait around. It's gonna be a keeper. Smallie. This one's 3.8 inches. And I just got this 2.25, I'd say. About the same as the one you just weighed. Bronze back, Smallie. This one does not have red eyes. Yours had red eyes. I know it's not much, but it's an improvement about what I've been catching. Catching these little fuckers. This one's a keeper at least.
Good one? Out in the middle, huh?
Off the point.
Well, there's a big bluff wall there. Oh, that's a nice one.
Back to back. This one's a little bigger. Trinity Lake smallmouth in the future state of Jefferson. So we've caught 3 species of bass up here in this trip. We've caught the spotted bass. Some people call it the Alabama bass. We've caught the smallmouth bass. And now here's another largemouth. That one came off a plastic worm. Another keeper largemouth.
All right. Swim back a little further.
It's been going really slow for us. The bite died down. It's been a lull. So Dad just got this nice smallmouth. About 1 o'clock. Just might be concluding the video, everybody. Safe travels. Enjoy the show.